Let's make some history tonight. The child inside is wild. Let's make this moment come to life.
What is up, everybody? So today I am gonna fall in a waterfall. Just kidding. We are going to see waterfall. Okay, bye.
In your head, nothing's impossible. We're gonna make it now. We're gonna leave our mark. Let's take a shot in the dark. Ready, set, go for gold. Chasing every heartbeat.
Okay, I'm gonna try to feel how cold this water is. Ready? Ready? Ow! Oh wait, this is like ice water, ice cold water. I think this would be so yummy.
Tonight, ready, set, go for gold. Tonight. Even if we fall and make mistakes, we live, we learn, we change. Gotta keep on going every day, and it will be worth the wait. Don't know what's up ahead.
I can feel the water all the way over here.
We're gonna make it now. We're gonna leave our mark. Let's take a shot.
It's like a shower.
Ready, set, go for gold. Chasing every heartbeat. We can feel it starting.
I need some shampoo and some body soap.
Chase it till we own it. Living in the moment. Ready, set, go for gold. Tonight. Ready, set, go for gold. Tonight.
Okay, it's raining and we were stuck in traffic. It was like 1 hour already. No, not really, but like 5 minutes. No, like 10 minutes. We're at Lake Louise, or Lake Louis, whatever how you say it. But it's raining!
Ready, set, go for gold.